Hey guys, it is June 1st. It's the first of the month. It's Monday and it's 9:22. So market open like 8 minutes. 7 minutes now. It's 9:23. So I'm gonna hurry up and run through the top-down analysis, and then we gap. So on the daily, we do have this strong selling candle. Price went up, created this new high. So I'm gonna just move that one up. Price went up, created this new high, rejected, and it came back into this zone. We did get the close outside the zone here, but this was also the candle that broke structure. So in order for us to continue with sales, I would need to see this major break of structure that I was waiting to see on Friday that we didn't get. If it ends up breaking this structure, I would be super inclined for taking sales at least to the trend line. We still have this unfilled gap here that hasn't been filled. I'm not sure if price is ever going to come back to fill it, but hopefully it does. I mean, it can do whatever it wants, but that's what I'm hoping for. So on the 4-hour, like I said, we have this strong selling pressure. But in order for me to want to take a sale, I would need to see it break this structure. If it's just coming in here to tap and then continue back up, I would be inclined for buys, but I have to see that buying pressure above this, above here. Whew, this is crazy. It's a 1-hour candle. Price is just, it's so crazy because this is what I wanted on Friday. But hopefully it's coming to break. Even a minor break of structure, but no, I wouldn't want to play in this zone. I wouldn't want to play in this zone because, as you can see, price did tap all the way through here. I mean, this goes back to like here, honestly. So the fact that price is using this as a supply zone, I mean, as a demand zone when it's a supply zone, it already invalidated it, actually. So let's take that off. Yeah, let's take that off. I would need this structure break. That's just period. I don't know why my line's so long. Because this was the opportunity right here. Price broke that structure, so minor break of structure, came back, tapped, and fell. So that already happened. Let's go to the 15. Broke this level, came back, retested this level, continued down. Let me go back to the 1-hour real quick. Yeah, we got quite a few zones in here that if it wanted to tap and continue back up, it could. This would be the last zone. And if it came to the zone, broke the structure, yeah, I'm getting it for sales. The only thing risky about that is we do have these other zones. And it could literally just tap the zone and buyers could step in. So I might just watch the market and see what it does. We do have news at 10. So I probably won't even take a trade till after 10. And even then, I probably just won't take a trade at all today. Today will just be a no trade day just to let the market do whatever the market wants to do. Because this move for the day looked like it's already happening. So It invalidated, so no entry. No entry. Yeah, that's why I don't trade the first candle of the day. Because no sorry, Bob. We just tapped into this 1 hour zone here. Again. Sellers is good to go. Sellers are good to go. Sellers are good to go. Did I just take a 1 hour trade? Hold on, y'all. I did, because they tapped into the zone, closed outside the zone. Sellers are good to go. I just got in. I don't know why it's all the way over there. Okay, let me go back to the 5 minute. Buyers is right there. Yep, buyers is right there. I'm trying to wait till it hit my 1-to-1. I'm trying to see if we can get at least to my 1-to-1. But I know buyers are right here because of this zone, this demand zone. So I'm wondering if it's going to hit. Yeah, the buyers was right there. We still got 3 minutes, so I might just let it play out the 3 minutes. Because that would be my 1-to-1. So it would be nice if we could push, though. A little bit. I'm out. As soon as you hit, I'm out. I'm not even going to play with it. You're not trying to hit. Wow. Let me zoom in, because you playing. Empires isn't playing. I feel it. You can't play. Come on, sellers. We got 2 more minutes. I'd rather it hit before the 2 minutes run out than go to a whole nother candle. It tapped, though. I can't lie. It's tapping. Sellers, one more time, so we can get out. I'm over here yapping. Stop, Noah. There it is.
Mommy!
I see him, Audrey. Come on, sellers. You really could melt. You really could melt. They want to close outside the zone so bad. One more minute. There it is. I'm out. That was good. That was a good trade. That was a beautiful trade. For a second, I thought I didn't record it. But that was the trade of the day. I know this was probably all over the place, so this will be more of like a recap video. That was a beautiful trade. it was a 1 hour trade as well. So basically, price came back to this 1 hour. So price melted, created this zone here. It tapped, and before, because we're still within that 1 hour. So this candle, we're still in this one candle, but as you can see, price was pushing down to here. Came back up, tapped this 1 hour supply zone again, and it melted. So it basically reclaimed everything it rejected at first within that hour. So yeah, which was here. So once it breaks here, price should melt. For real, for real. It might come back up and tap this 5 minute or tap this 1 minute. And that's another entry, honestly. So, but we got our win for the day, so we're done. That was just the tap. So price should melt at this point. But like I said, it could come back up and tap the 5 if it wanted to. But we was just struggling right here, so. That was a good trade, though. That was a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. That was the trade of the day. Yeah, it's about to go. It's going after here. Shoot, I should have stayed. Should have stayed. Okay, anyways, that was the trade of the day. Like I said, this candle broke this structure, came out of this zone. Price came back, tapped into that zone on the 5 minute. Once it taps, we got in here, which was more so like a conservative, like, because this was an aggressive tap and then it closed. So we got in right when it opened. Well, after it pushed up and it started coming back down, we got in with the momentum because it's already outside the zone. So that's what we aimed for on a 1-to-1. So it was an 82-point zone. And yeah. So we're done. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.